I hate this thing when it doesn't do what it does. But so I was going to stay at the Clarion Hotel. I'm very angry because I'd done a lovely speech there and it was good. So I have to go that way, but we have to go this way to go that way. And I thoroughly enjoyed my trip here in Bratislava. But we're on our way now to get to the train to head to Budapest. So let's go. Everyone's going in here. Ooh, look, here's a map. That's where we are. We need to find out what platform we're on. Budapest, platform 1. That's handy. CZS. Let's go for Elvis. I think we have a bit of time. I think this is where we got off as well, actually. Is this platform 1? Yeah. Platform 1. Yeah. There's a waiting room there, there's lots of food stations around. It's only a 2-hour journey, 2.5-hour journey, so it's not too bad. It's nothing to write home about, but like the thing is, I booked my accommodation near the other train station, so I have a fair bit of walking to do when I get to Budapest. But yeah, I need to get my steps up, and anyway, check out this old cool relic of it. That's nice. I'm gonna get a train or two come by here as well. That'd be nice. Nice bit of footage. That looks like a very cool old building right there. Alright. That'd be cool for photo shoots. And then there's the end of the tram station where it turns around, and right down below us is a lot of rubbish just tossed in there. Yeah. Lovely train tracks. None of them going? Come on. It's because I'm recording, isn't it? None of us are planning to leave. I think we're ready to go. This one just dropped one of its power line things. We're behind the yellow line, so this should be interesting footage, hopefully. Alright, wait, we do. That's a smooth sound in the engine there. Smooth sounding tracks. That just looks fantastic. I think this is our train.
25 Minuten. Jevinská Marke und Wien Hauptbahnhof, regelmäßige Abfahrt um 16:50 Uhr steht auf dem Bahnsteig Nummer 4, Gleisnummer 16. Sie können ansteigen. Leti start Vývod Regional Express 25 linkší smer 20 železničnej spoločnosti Slovensko smer Jevinská Nová Ves Marke a Wien Hauptbahnhof pravidelný odchod 16 hodín 50 minút stojí pri nástupišti 4 koľaj 16 pripravený na odchod. Der internationale Regional Express Zug 25
So this is the seating arrangement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Apparently there's Wi-Fi, there's a TV there, but it's very dark in here for some reason. Now there is a dining area. We're going to pop in for a minute. I was looking for seat 666. It's 066. But yeah, nice and spacious. Very, very dark though. So this is someone else's carousel down there. 3 seats, little tables, space on top. I think we actually slept on something like this going through Amsterdam. Very spacious seats. Up there and it shows the mile per hour and next stations and stuff like that. So we're moving. Closets. Okay, let's take a look at you. So, don't you know, some zillion years ago, stars in each and every Oh no, that's gas. So I have to get that with my phone because it's gas. That has to be put up as a reel. Yeah, so we have plug sockets. We have light switch. We have a window, we have a mirror, we have an ugly fat Irish guy in there. Smoke alarm. We have a water thing. Oh, pressure sensitive. Yeah, it's fairly clean and like it's been in use for a while, so I just hopped on, so it's not the first place that it took off from. Yeah, seems decent enough. So the train is in motion now. I think it's like right up there in full speed. Unfortunately, the sun just went down, so there's nothing I can show you. It seems fairly smooth. This is me walking now, wobbling a bit. Seems quiet enough as well. So we're gonna head into, there's a thing down here, like a little bistro place. See if there's a spot. Have a beer. Let's see what they have available. So this is the end of the couch. And another toilet there. It's first class, by the way. Hate those things. The old styly buckets. Just cop there as well, so there's USB ports all around. Try and sit in here like this. We're gonna go with this proper meeting. I have no idea how much it costs. Because, well, I think it was in Huff. It was 14,000, I think. Yeah. Big shame. Can't see anything But yeah, it's only a short 2.5 hour thing, and the train left bang on time, like literally on the dot left. So yeah, it smells like there's a bit of food here, but I'm holding off on food. There's a Mexican place in the next hotel I want to check out. So far the trip's going fine. I've only one more trip out, and then it's starting to make my way back towards Ireland. But still 2 weeks to go. So I'm looking forward to Budapest. I was here in 2018, I think, 2019. Had an amazing time. So hopefully we're going to do the same again. So I'll catch you now in a few minutes. And we are coming to our final stop. I did notice that we have some also chargers here on the seats. It was very comfortable. A few little bits of bumping, bouncing around. A little storage compartment there, light switch here if you're reading. It was night time, so I didn't get any scenery. Yeah, no, it's really nice. There is curtains here that Velcro closed, and the door as well. Yeah, I think when we came from Amsterdam to Berlin or Berlin to Prague, we had something similar to this, and we had to sleep in it. It was awkward as well because there was 4 of us and then just 2 random blokes in it. It was like, yeah, this is awkward, we're going to smell the place up. Anyway, this is it. We're just about to deboard the train. Yeah, we're just coming into the station here. Don't know if you can see it. And then we're going to deboard, and then hopefully we're going to find a jazz club, go to the jazz club, have a beer or 2, chill out with this music, and then going to head down to the hotel, check in, get a bit of food, and then that's it for tonight. So I'll just record when we're deboarding now. Rolling into the station. Got scanned once with the ticket. And you know what? Are we? Okay, we're 2 minutes late. 2 minutes late. Trip. But still, that's impressive. These German trains were like 20 minutes late, half an hour late now, so yeah. I'm impressed. I'm feeling it's going to be bitter cold out here. And that's it. Deboarded. Seamless. Welcome to Budapest, ladies and gentlemen. Literally the end of the line. Right. So, 2 things I gotta do here is figure out how to take the tram again. And get an ATM to get some cash out. What is the weather like? Not too bad, not too bad. Right, welcome to Budapest, people.